Eventually, James became the head chef at Thomas's home in Paris. In France, slavery was illegal, and Thomas had to pay James wages for his work. Even though James could have sued Thomas for his freedom, he decided not to. No one is sure why he didn't, but it wasn't easy for a Black American in the Western world. James probably didn't want to be separated from his family. Thomas also promised James that one day he would make him a free man if James could find a suitable replacement to take his place. When Thomas became Secretary of State, James traveled with him to New York City and Philadelphia. As head chef, James taught the other chefs what he learned. When they returned to Monticello, the Virginia plantation had grown to over